sunny Cornwall, and we're off adventuring. Here's the deal. When you look down the Camel estuary out to sea, apart from Newland Island in the middle, you see two headlands, one on the left, one on the right. The one on the left is Stepper Point, been to that quite a few times just recently. The one on the right is Pentire Head, haven't been there for ages. Let's go take a look. Show you on the map. We're crossing here at the moment between Padstow and Rock. When we get to this side, we're going to cut across the golf course, round Bray Hill, and then we'll cut up through here, go in through the back route into Polzeath, through the caravan park, and when we get to what it should be Polzeath Beach, but is they're described as Hale Bay, we'll see how our luck is. If the tide is low enough, we can go straight across there, straight up to Pentire. If it's not, then we have to backtrack here and go over that saddle. Bit of a lump, and then Pentire. On the way back, we'll cut along here and we'll go back along the coast, because by the time we get here, it should be low water. The ferry will be operated in from down here, so we'll kind of meet it halfway.
Alright.
This should be pretty. How about some nice music? Survive that then. Heading that way. Sounds like we're walking into a rook convention. Wow, imagine living there. Incredible. Done with the church then. Now we've got the road to contend with. Climb up there. This is Daymar Bay behind us. This is where Sir John Betterman spent many happy hours in his youth and his old age. Up here somewhere. Cobb Cottage, that's the one. Oh, this is quite a trudge. Uphill all the way. But it kind of cuts a corner and gives a different route to the one that we'll be doing on the way home, hopefully. Should be some bluebells out shortly. Don't see any at the moment. Now my favourite lane in all Cornwall, I think. When we used to stay in the caravan park on the left, Valley Caravan Park. This used to be the site of our first walk every holiday. Gorgeous. Many happy holidays spent in there. Right, that's the objective then. And the tide looks favourable. Sprint up to the top and back. First we have to negotiate the water hazards. We'll try that here, I think. Yeah. We'll do it. Not what you'd call crowded on a beautiful sunny day. Step a point across there, and the Padstow estuary, and the Camel estuary. A bit wet here and there. Well, I don't know if we'll get back this way. I think the tide's just on the turn and this headland's going to be submerged, so we may have a trek coming back. So one more reason to get on with it, I guess. Looking kind of possible. Okay, get to this bit. It looks like home and dry. Made it. We're closing in now. It's got nothing for you. Breathe in. Ooh. Prove it can be done. stepper. If we pan over to the right to Denmark, and then on again. So we go right over to there, it's Trevone. Polzeath to your left, Camel Estuary. On the horizon then is the route home. We just follow on from Polzeath, just follow that all the way around and up the estuary. Get the ferry, job done. Easier in this direction. It wasn't too bad the other way, to be honest. I don't think you can beat this walking, at least for me you can't. Land on this side, the sea over there. Wonderful. Take in the moment, as they say. Well, he agrees. That's a good feeling when you're heading home. Even if there's quite a way to go, we'll get there. Some of the Parkinson's issues are creeping up on me. I'll have to keep walking, I can't give this up. I'm sure you'd feel the same. Well, that's a good sight. We still have access through there, which means we can avoid the big hill. Low water was about 107 and it's 115 now. So just about low tide, just on the turn. We'll make this easy, good. Right. See if we can find our unofficial route again. It's different from the top. I prefer to come up than go down. This isn't going to be elegant. So far so good. Barrier. Straight over the top. The aim now is to get to the ferry before 4:45. It's just gone through. Because at the moment, because of low water, it's actually half a mile nearer than it would normally be going this way. Why don't we get there before it changes and goes its normal route? So we get on. It's going well so far. So a reasonable path at this point, so make good use of it. Okay, Daymar. You can almost see the ferry from here. Set is miles in the distance. I'm hoping to get across that sand. It's walkable. and the ferry is just there somewhere. A better view of Daymar, and so we're taking to the sand here. I'm going to cross over there. Heading for the ferry, no doubt. And we have to catch them up. Push off, dog. The last leg. So far the sand is firm. I think along here it gets soft, which makes going hard. And we'll enjoy what we got when we got it. Well, I'm going to do the straight across the sand trick. This used to be soft here and you used to have to kind of go around the edge. But things have changed. Prints look quite shallow, which means it's hard ground, feels hard. Right, direct route it is. Well, we're in the soft stuff, but not far to go. See the ferry. So I think you could probably throw a plank across there, you don't need a ferry. Oh, and cross that. Nice. If you like North Cornwall, then check my channel. There's a whole section on North Cornwall and Cornwall walks. If you like them, you can subscribe to my channel. You can always click like and share.